Kirk Martin here. Good day to you. You wanted to know how to start an internet business without having a lot of internet knowledge or technology experience. There's this big misconception that we all have to be gurus, and that if you want to work online and make money and work from home and generate a substantial income working online from your home, that you need all this skill and you have to have degrees and education and all this other stuff. And that's just not true. The reality is you have to be teachable, you have to want to learn, you have to have a good work ethic, and you have to understand that in the beginning what you need to do is build a foundation and a footing. You need to build, just like when you're building a house, you need to put a good foundation down in order to build the rest of the structure on it. I was in the trades 3 years, and before I got into home-based business 6 years ago. And the one thing you had to have was a foundation. And that's what we teach here. We teach you to build your foundation and build it strong and build it fortified, so no matter what, when the wind blows and the storms come, your foundation stands, your structure that you built on it stands, and the money continues to roll in. Passive residual income. That's what the name of the game is, people. TRI, passive residual income. If you don't have TRI, you got nothing. And that's what I want to share with you. So go down in the description of this video or click the link below, and you're going to see a website pop up, and you're going to have to put in your name and an email, a legitimate email, or the system won't open up. Or go to WeDareYouToDream.com, www.WeDareYouToDream.com, and put your information in and watch. There's some videos there. Watch all that information, take it very seriously, and then you're going to get an email from me. When you get that email, contact me directly, and we'll look forward to talking to you. We'll look forward to getting you rolling and putting you in the driver's seat to your own financial independence. Goodbye for now.